Hello, once again, M3. So this is Teacher Win, and this is part 8 of your chemical reactions. For this video, we are going to learn about the types of your chemical reaction. So there are 5 types that we are going to talk here. We have synthesis, decomposition, single replacement, double replacement, and combustion. So let's begin first with your synthesis or fusion or combination. So synthesis, so it is two or more chemicals bond together forming one new substance. So I will be using letters to express these types of chemical reactions. So you have here your two elements or two chemicals A and B to combine and form one new substance. So like for example, we have here your zinc combined with oxygen to form your zinc oxide. And we have here your magnesium combined with your nitrogen to form your magnesium nitride. Next is we have your decomposition or breakup. So in your decomposition, so one substance breaks down into two or more substances. So to express this, so this is your reactant and this will be your product. So your reactant AB will break down into your product A and B. So like for example, so we have here your H2O or water breaks down into your hydrogen and oxygen. And we have here your calcium hydroxide. OH is a base, so it's a hydroxide here. So calcium hydroxide breaks down into hydrogen, or shall we say water, okay? And your calcium oxide. So this is your AB, this is your A, and this is your B. Next is we have your single replacement, wherein your one element will replace a compound. So this is how your word equation looks like. This is your element that will replace your compound. So as a result, so your B is replaced with C. In here also, your C is replaced with B. So like for example, so we have here your aluminium to combine with your nickel chloride to produce your aluminum chloride plus your nickel. So your aluminium here is A, nickel is B, and your chloride here is your C. So we're in your aluminium here is A, your chlorine is here is C, and your nickel here is B. And let's go with example number 2. Chlorine to combine with your sodium bromide to form sodium chloride plus your bromine. So your chlorine here is your A, sodium here is your B, and then your bromide here is your C. So your sodium here is B, your chlorine here is A, and your bromine here is your C. Okay, next we have your double replacement. So we're into compounds switch or change or exchange ions with each other. So to show this equation, it looks like this. So AB plus CD to form your AD and CB. So in your equation, so this one and this one, they go together, and this one and this one, they also go together. Okay, so like for example, we have your silver nitrate to combine with your magnesium chloride and to produce your silver chloride plus your magnesium nitrate. So what happened here? So this is your A, and this is your B, this is your C, and this is your D. So your silver here is A combined with your D here, magnesium is C, and then your nitrate here is your B. See? So this one goes with this one, and this one, B, goes with your letter C. Next, in your another example, we have your barium chloride to combine with your sodium sulfate to produce your barium sulfate and your sodium chloride. So here, so barium is A, chlorine is B, sodium is C, and sulfate is D. So barium here is A combined with your D to produce your C and B. And finally, your combustion. So I think this one is the easiest. So in your combustion, so a compound is burning and because it is exposed to your oxygen gas. So to show your equation, anything that is burned with oxygen, it will always produce or it will always make carbon dioxide and water. So like for example here, so we have here your, basically these are your hydrocarbons. So they are easily burned with your oxygen. So we're in. So we have here your methane, your CH4, combined with your oxygen to produce your carbon dioxide and water. And so also with your ethanol, this one is your ethanol of type of alcohol combined with oxygen or is burned with oxygen to produce your carbon dioxide and water. So again, anything that is burned, so it will produce carbon dioxide and your water. So once again, please answer the worksheet and upload the file in your Google Classroom. So this is the end of our lesson about chemical reactions. So I hope you've learned a lot about our lesson in chemical reactions. So please make sure you watch part 1 until part 8 of this lesson. So once again, thank you very much for watching and have a nice day, M3. Goodbye and take care.